Welcome to our lesson Human Impact on Land. This lesson is the lesson number 1 in the Unit 4, the human impact on the environment. The objective for this lesson is to explore the human activities' impact on land. But before we start, we need to know what land is. Land is a natural resource. Natural resource is something from Earth that living things use to meet their needs, the things that they need to stay alive. Example, food and water and shelter. But there is a problem that as the human population is growing, this growth has a negative impact on land. Not only land, but also on other parts of the environment, like oceans, like underground water, and like the atmosphere. The increase in the human population will always cause an increase in the negative impacts we have on the environment, especially on land, as part of our lesson. So what is that negative impact we have on land? There are several consequences for using land as a resource. This excessive need for land has many problems that we will come to right now. The first thing is urbanization. The second is deforestation. The third is the impact of agriculture. And number 4, pollution. In this part of the lesson, we will come to number 1 and number 2. Number 2, deforestation. Deforestation is cutting large areas of forests for our needs or for our activities. As you can see in the picture here, the trees are completely cut. And why do we need to cut the trees? We cut the trees to use the wood to make paper, for logging and for building houses, and many other examples like that. And deforestation has many effects on the environment. Part of these effects, examples for these effects are like the loss of the habitats of animals and trees. And this can lead to the endangerment or extinctions of some species. The other part is the effect on the atmosphere. It affects the atmosphere by decreasing the amount of oxygen and increasing the amount of carbon dioxide.